We'll guide you through how to animate in Blender using the most current methods for 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. This is where you'll be doing most of your animation work. Next, you'll want to switch to the Animation workspace. You'll find this along the top bar. Once you're there, you'll see the timeline at the bottom, which is essential for defining the keyframes of your animation. Now, let's start animating. Select the object you want to animate. You can press the I key to insert a keyframe. This will bring up a menu where you can choose what aspect of the object you want to animate, such as location, rotation, or scale. Choose the one you want. Once you've done that, move the timeline cursor to a new frame where you want the next keyframe. Adjust the object's position, rotation, or scale to your desired state for that frame. Again, press I'm to insert another keyframe. Repeat this process across the timeline to create a sequence of movements. You can press the spacebar to play back your animation and see how it looks. If you need to refine it, you can click and drag keyframes in the timeline to adjust their timing. For more complex animations, consider using the graph editor, which allows you to fine-tune the interpolation and timing between keyframes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and movements. Once you're satisfied, you can render your animation by going to the Render menu and selecting Render Animation. This will output your animation based on the settings you've configured in the Output Properties tab. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.